Hey, it's Sammy on January 29th. Today is FOMC, so we weren't sure what the market was going to do, but we got a lot of great trades in. 9. We had 8 winners with 1 break even for 267 points. So let's take a look and see how everything played out. This was my first trade. I was actually at the gym, and me and our trading group were doing a quick analysis, and we all worked together and we saw the data light up. We were all in the same trade at the same time. I actually locked this trade. It did go, because this was on my phone. I rarely phone trade. We were hitting a Fibonacci level right here, and it did break through and go all the way down towards that orange line, which is deviation 3. However, hey, we locked it in. We're phone trading, so we're going to be a little more conservative. Then I got home. Now, the market had bottomed out. You can see it went down to that deviation line. It went down and made a low of day where we had our opportunity for our SOTA signature reversal trade. It's a mechanical process where we use short time frame data and we take the reversal trade. Now you can see that I'm trailing my stop up. And the reason why is we have a value area low here, we have deviation 1 as well as the pivot point. And you can see we're gonna end up with 21 points. This is the open. This is still a continuation of our SOTA trade from that reversal off the low of day. We're just trying to get up to the value area high. We're at VPOC right now. You can see all this data lights up and we quickly are gonna lock in 28 points. So you can see we tested that yesterday's closing price. We tested our value area high. The market pulled all the way back. So we re-entered because we still have that short time frame data. Of course, we have our stop loss set to break even, and it looks like this is our break even. But that data is still holding. We are gonna go long because now we actually have a pattern to work with. So we're gonna go long, and let's see where we're gonna take this trade. We're going to protect the trade, and we're going to go up to the gap high or the deviation 2 band for 36 points. We are still kind of working this open zone right here. You can see now we're breaking through the gap high. We're going to work our way up to the high of day and that 3rd deviation band. We've got a lot of data in alignment or confluence now. We've got the trade protected with that stop loss already in profit. We're going to do a ceiling trade and lock in at the high of day, and we're going to hit our take profit at 34 points. Now you can see what the market did. This is the new 4-hour bar, the new hour bar. So we had a big pullback after we went up and made that high of day at deviation 3. You can see how the market worked its way up, came back down to find value. Now we have that reversal process going, but all of our data is in place. The trades are already protected, so they're risk-free because we put our stop loss into a profit position. As we get to this deviation 2 band here, we're going to lock in 32 points. You can see we have that excellent data after we pulled back. About 20 minutes later, we got a new 15-minute bar, and we're going to go long again, coming through this GAN buy zone. We're going to have that trade protected, of course, and let's see how this trade gets moved. Not sure if we're going to make it up to the high of the day because we're getting stuck at this deviation band 2 here, this aqua line, and we're just going to go ahead and lock in 28 points profit here. This is our final trade for the day. You can see we still have multiple time frames of sentiment. We're holding that momentum with 2 volatility breaks on the 15 and 30 minute chart. We are coming back up through the value area high. And let's see if we can take out this high of day if you look to the left. So you can see we're hitting this value gap high right here, right at deviation 2. Watch as we trail aggressively and hit our 56 point take profit using this powerful data.